What up? This is Rocher here from Real Digital Success, and today we're going to talk about how much it actually costs to start a affiliate marketing business. I'm going to talk about the tools you're going to need, the free trials that you can use, and how to get it running up as fast as possible. Before we get into this, I want to give you a quick reminder to take a look at the links in my description because there I will be putting all the resources I mentioned in this video, plus a lot of other resources that will help you on your affiliate marketing journey. So now that we got that out of the way, let's take a look at how much it costs to start a affiliate marketing business. So, what do you need to start? Most of the costs of a affiliate marketing business are going to be in the tools that you will use. So here I'm going to give you the minimum of tools that you need to start your affiliate marketing business. And these are four things. One are domains, two is web hosting, three is an email marketing service, and four is a funnel slash page builder. I'm going to go through these one by one. So, in which way I will explain to you what these are, why you need them, and how much they cost on average. Starting off with a domain. For those that don't know what a domain is, a domain is basically a digital address of your website. So when anybody wants to find a place where your content is stored on the internet, they can use your domain name to find it. So if you want to get a better picture of what a domain name is, it's basically the URL of your homepage. So it's www dot that thing that you have .com or .nl or .co.uk. That's basically your domain name. How much a domain name costs typically differs to where you get your domain. So I have a few examples here. For example, Bluehost, the average cost of a domain name is $9.99 per year. Namecheap is $11.99 per year, and domainname.com is $9.99 per year. What you have to take into account with this, first off, is depending on what kind of domain you're trying to purchase, the cost may differ. So if it's a domain name that's very common and wanted by a lot of people, the domain names often going to be a lot more expensive. You even have domain names that are worth up to like the several hundreds of dollars just to get it. So this is something you're going to have to take into account when you start looking for a domain name. Another thing you have to take into account are renewal costs. Often the initial year is going to be a certain price, but after that, the next year, the price is often going to be a little bit more expensive, but it will stay at that price for all the years after that. Most of the time, for most of these domain providers, the costs are just going to be $2 more. So it isn't that significant amount of an increase, but it's still something to take into account when you're looking for domains. The second thing is hosting. Hosting is basically the place on the internet where all your content resides. So it's a storage place for all your content. You can get hosting by going to hosting providers. They will reserve a specific place on the internet for you where you can place all your content. And dependent on how much space you need for your content, the price of your hosting is going to differ. A few examples of hosting providers are Bluehost, that does it for $9.99 per month, SiteGround that does it for $12.99 per month, and Hostinger does it for $9.99 per month as well at their lowest possible plans. So on average, you're going to pay 10 to 11 euros per month for hosting. Then the third thing you need is a email marketing service. An email marketing service is software that's able to capture and manage email addresses. It also makes it possible to send automated emails to your email subscribers. So, why is it valuable? Email marketing services are valuable because it gives you multiple chances to talk with your visitors. Because most of the time, if you do traditional affiliate marketing, you send people to through a link to a company, but after that, you have no way to contact with them. But what happens if they have doubts after they visit the website? Maybe they have a lack of information that they need before purchasing it, or maybe they just don't trust the company. In those cases, it's going to be very valuable for you to be able to give them more context over email over a longer period of time. This way they'll build trust with not only you, but also trust with the product itself. Also, another benefit of this is once you have their email address, it is possible to provide them with other affiliate marketing offers that might complement that initial offer, and that way you can get more money out of one potential customer. How much an email marketing software cost differs. So that's why I have a few examples of how much you can pay, how much you could pay per month, and give you a good idea of the cost. So, for example, Get Response does it for $19 a month, and then you'll get up to 1,000 subscribers. Aweber does it for $16.15 per month, and you can go to a max of 500 subscribers. Constant Contact, for example, does it for $9.99 per month for 500 subscribers. These are all their paid plans. They all also have limited free trials, which you can use. But the thing that I would look at the most when looking for an email marketing software is if it's applicable for your goals and the jump it will make when you go to further plans. In the description, I will put a link to a blog post where I review multiple of these email marketing software so you can choose the one that's most applicable for you. Then the last thing you'll need is a funnel builder. A funnel builder is a software that creates pages that leads people to your affiliate offers in the most effective way. So remember when I talked about uh, email communication, building context, and building a relationship with people? Funnel builders are made to do exactly that. They contain all kinds of elements that effectively showcase the value of your affiliate offers and make sure people aren't distracted in the middle of the process of getting to your affiliate offers. There are a lot of funnel builders out there, and here are a few examples so you can get a little bit of an idea of the cost of funnel builders. So first off, you have ClickFunnels. This is one of the most high-end funnel builders around, and it costs $147 per month. On the second one, you have Thrive Suite for $99 per 3 months or $299 per year. Then you also have Lead Pages for $49 a month and Get Response, which also is an email marketing service for at least $59 a month. Which one you choose is up to you, but I do have some recommendations in the description of this video to help you with choosing a funnel builder. Then, as I said before, most of these tools have free trials. So I always advise you to take advantage of these free trials. And depending on how you're going to send visitors to your affiliate offers, you might even be able to earn money right away. If you're going to do it the organic way, you're probably not going to earn that much money during your initial free trial unless you're very capable of directing organic traffic. But if you're, for example, are going to use Google Ads or Instagram ads or YouTube ads to get people to your funnels, you're probably going to earn money a lot quicker. Then I just wanted to give you a final advice. Yes, you have a lot of free trials and you have a lot of cheap alternatives out there. I recommend paying a little bit more just to get tools that perform well. And here's why. Not too long ago, a digital marketing agency named Social did a study about the bounce rate of pages and websites. For those that don't know what the bounce rate is, it's the rate at which people leave your website after looking at just one page. According to them, the probability of visitors bouncing increases with by 90% the moment the page load time is somewhere between 1 and 5 seconds. So something as little as waiting for a page to load has massive implications on if you're getting a sell or not. So by going for cheaper alternatives that maybe glitch, the chances are high you're leaving a lot of money on the table. This is why I suggest investing in tools that might be a little bit more expensive, but get the job done. Because in the end you're paying for both of them, but you're probably going to lose out on a lot more money on the long term if you go for those cheaper alternatives that glitch a lot, but you might lose a lot of money going for the cheaper alternatives that glitch a lot. That doesn't mean you have to go for the most expensive tools out there. I personally don't use the most expensive alternatives that are there, but I was willing to invest a little bit of money to get well performing tools. So if you're interested in purchasing the tools that I personally use that aren't the most expensive tools but do perform well, I have links in the description to all those tools that you can look at them personally. So yeah, as you can see, you are going to have to spend money to start your affiliate marketing journey. But if you compare it to, for example, brick and mortar businesses where you have to spend at least $50,000 just to get a location, get the services running, and all that kind of stuff, it's considerably cheaper. So I hope this video was of value to you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And yeah, that's all I have to say. This is Rocher here from Real Digital Success saying peace.